Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Merry Christmas! I really hope you guys liked Vlogmas. It makes me so sad that it's over now and we're gonna go back to weekly videos. I will say Vlogmas is a lot of work and it's very hard, and I feel like my hair does kind of need a little bit of a break from the heat. So stay tuned, because in 2021 you guys will see me doing more like hair care videos and taking care of my hair a little bit more. I'm still gonna be doing hair tool videos, of course. I just can't not do it, you know what I mean? Like, it's like I need to do my hair tool videos. But I am also going to be posting more like natural curly hair videos, heatless curl videos, testing out hair products and stuff like that, so stay tuned. I am actually testing out right now a hair growth product that I can't wait to share with you guys, because I do feel like my hair is a little bit longer. By the way, congrats to the giveaway winners. Thank you so much for entering this giveaway. Thank you for supporting my channel. Thank you for supporting my mom's channel. And thank you for entering this giveaway. Thank you for always watching my videos during Vlogmas. Anyway, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like to Vlogmas. I would really appreciate that. And like this video too, I would love that. Like this video if you like the Vlogmas, and if you like this video. In this video, by the way, I feel like this intro is so long. In this video I'm going to be doing kind of like a Christmas hairstyle, but you see how my hair is like so straight and flat. I want to give it some volume, some life, some curls, you know, so that is what we're gonna do today. Today I'm actually going to be using the T3 Micro Curl ID. I'm gonna turn this on. There you go. So it's warming up to my profile ID. Okay, so the first thing that I do is that I divide the front section, so about this much. I'm just gonna leave it like that for now, and I'm gonna do the sides first. Okay, so I'm gonna start from the bottom. So I'm gonna take a section and put the rest back. I'm gonna try to curl away from my face. So I'm gonna just start curling my hair. I'm not gonna do anything crazy. I'm just gonna leave the hair on the hair tool for like a little bit, not too much, because I just want them to set with the rollers. I'm not looking for a very tight curl, so I'm gonna leave this on my hair for a little bit, maybe like 10 seconds, and I release the curl just like this. As you can see, very nice bouncy curl. I take a Velcro roller and just start to kind of like roll it up like this. The curls are supposed to look pretty loose, like that's what we're going for this hairstyle. So I'm not looking for any tight curls or anything. I'm gonna take one of these clips, love these clips, and I'm just going to secure it just like that. Super easy. What I like about these big clips, which by the way I'm gonna link them down below as well, they're also from Amazon. I got everything from Amazon, but what I like about these clips is that with one you're like good to go. It really does grab a lot of hair, so I really like that. Ooh, that's a beautiful curl. Now I'm going to do the front. So I'm going to divide this one in two small sections. So I'm just curling it like this. Okay, so I'm just going to release the curl. Okay, so I'm just rolling it up. Okay, so the last section, like this. Just curling it. The most wonderful time of the year. Okay, so I'm releasing the curl. Super nice. I'm gonna take a small roller, just bring this up. Now that I'm done with all the rollers, I'm going to add just a little bit of this curl hold spray from GHD. I love this. Just a little bit, not too much. I think that should be enough. I'm going to let these set for 30 minutes, so I'll be back in 30 minutes and I'll show you guys the final look. So I'll see you guys in 30 minutes. Hey guys, I'm back. It's been 30 minutes, as you can see. I mean, if you want them to hold even more, you can leave these on for like an hour or two, but I think 30 minutes will be just fine for what I want today. So I'm gonna start taking these off, and let's see what we got. I feel like your hair gets a little bit more tangled when you use Velcro rollers. It's not really like pulling my hair though. It's a very nice one, very shiny. I definitely feel like you get way nicer curls with the smaller rollers. The big ones aren't bad, it's just the small ones look way better. So yeah, you're just supposed to get a very nice bouncy hairstyle. I actually really like it. Like, my ends don't even look like I need a haircut, and I actually do need a haircut, especially after Vlogmas. But I mean, look at that. That is so nice. Like, I can totally see myself doing this more often. So yeah, I totally recommend trying this at home. I really do like how my hair turned out. I mean, look at all that shine. It's crazy. I'm going to use a little bit of this Kerastase oil. I've been using this so much lately, and I only use a little tiny bit. A little bit goes such a long way, but I feel like this just kind of like finishes the whole look, and it gives my hair even more shine, and it helps to kind of bring the flyaways down a little bit and make everything look more put together. So I put this all over my hair. And yeah, as you can see, it looks super shiny and very healthy. Totally recommend that oil. If you guys want to check it out, I'll link it down below. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I wish I could say that I'm going to see you guys tomorrow, but I'm not going to see you guys tomorrow because this is the last video of Vlogmas, and I really hope you guys liked Vlogmas. If you did, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys in 2021, so stay tuned, and I'll see you guys then. Mwah. Bye bye. Love you.